So you have financial due diligence. They look at customer concentration. They look at, revenue. They look at profit. They look at all these different variables to make sure that your business is as risk-free as you say. For example, customer concentration. They will look at, where does revenue come from? Does it come from a handful of different customers, or does it come from three customers? And if it comes from three customers, there's a greater risk, because the question that they'll be asking is, what happens if this customer goes into administration? What happens if this customer doesn't like the business? What happens if you leave and the customer leaves? Remember, they are also factoring risk in the valuation of your business. The next thing is contracts. Do you have contracts in place, or is it more of a pay as you go sort of system where a customer will order something from you and then pay, but there's no written contract to say you cannot leave us for a year or 2 years? I completely understand. There's a lot of manufacturing businesses within the UK that we work with that they have it's almost a goodwill sort of contract. Hey, a business has been working with us for 10 years. They will keep working with us moving forward. And then the next thing is legal. Do you own this company? Are there any skeletons in the closet? Are there any risks that have happened? Are there any accidents that have taken place in your business? You have to be aware of these things, because what the buyer's looking at is, if I buy this business today and I take full legal responsibility, is anything going to come and bite me? So they need to make sure that there are no skeletons, there's no lawsuits that are pending in your business, because all of these things can affect your valuation. So then they look at your operations. So who makes things run within the business? Is your team efficient? Is your team good? So these things are very, very important when you're looking to sell your business, particularly during due diligence.